Your thumb stops on a post. It is a stunning dress. The lighting is perfect. The fabric looks like silk. The caption says it is a New York boutique. Everything is 50% off. The brand name is Roselyn And Carter. It sounds like something you would find on Fifth Avenue. You click the link. Suddenly a timer starts counting down. You have 20 minutes to claim this deal. The pressure is on. This is exactly how the trap is set. This brand is flooding every social media platform you use. It is on TikTok and Instagram. It is all over Facebook. It looks professional. The prices are incredible. But I looked behind the curtain. What I found should make you stop and think. The website was born just a few months ago. It has no history. It has no reputation. It is not a fashion house. It is a temporary digital storefront. There is no office address. There is no customer service phone number. There is no live chat for help. There is only a single email address hidden at the bottom of the page. This is a ghost operation. Look at the payment methods. They purposefully do not use the most popular secure payment apps. They know those apps allow you to dispute a charge if the product is a scam, by forcing you to use a card directly. They take away your safety net. They want your money with no strings attached. When you look at the digital data, the New York story falls apart. This company is actually operating out of China. The photos they use are stolen from real designers. They are selling cheap imitations made with low-quality materials. People who bought from them say the clothes look nothing like the pictures. The fit is terrible. The fabric is plastic-like. It is a total bait and switch. Some people never receive anything at all. The scammers use a trick where they provide a tracking number that shows delivery in your zip code. This confuses the bank during a dispute. It makes it look like you got the item when you did not. This is a calculated, illegal scheme. If you gave them your info, you need to act fast. Call your bank. Cancel your credit card. Report the fraud to the official Internet Crime Center. Do not let the pretty pictures fool you. These shops appear overnight and vanish just as fast. They rely on manufactured urgency to stop you from doing a quick search. Real luxury does not come at these prices. Real companies do not hide who they are. Be careful where you enter your data. I spent time digging into this so you can keep your hard-earned cash. It is frustrating to see these ads every time we open our phones. They are designed to exploit our desire for a good deal. If a deal feels too good to be true, your gut is usually right. Stay skeptical. Do your research before you click that buy button. It is much easier to avoid the scam than it is to get your money back once it is gone. Keep your eyes open for these red flags. High discounts and short timers are almost always a sign of trouble. This is about more than just a dress. It is about protecting your identity and your bank account. Once they have your credit card number, the damage is done. Your data could be sold to other scammers. This is why checking the age of a website is so important. A site that is only 60 days old is not an established New York boutique. It is a warning sign. Take a breath, close the tab. Do not give in to the fake countdown. You deserve better than a cheap knockoff from a company that does not exist. Keep your shopping safe and your bank account full. It is not worth the headache. Stay alert and stay savage.